Yes, student, today we are taking the topic to obtain all the zeros of the polynomial when some of its zeros are given. It means, let us take some example. One of the example I am taking. Find the other zeros of the polynomial 3x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 1, comma, given that one of its zero is 1. Now about the zeros, we know that it depends on the degree of the polynomial. Since here the polynomial has the degree 3, it means this polynomial has 3 zeros. Out of 3 zeros, 1 is given. We have to find the other zeros, means the 2 zeros which are left. So here is the process. Solution. Given polynomial is, it is given, let px equal to 3x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 1. Since 1 is its zeros, it is given 1 is its zeros. 1 is its 0, it means 1 is the value of x. 1 is the value of x. If we take 1 to the left hand side, it will give x minus 1. So we can say x minus 1 is one of the factor. So on this we get x minus 1 as one of its factor. This implies that x minus 1 is one of its factor. Out of 3 factor, x minus 1 is one of its factor. Now for finding the other 2 factors, what we have to do, we have to divide this polynomial by this factor. So let us do the division now. We have to divide 3x cube minus x square minus 3x plus 1 by this factor. Now we have to follow the rule of the division. First we have to check the order 3, 2, 1 and without variable term. The order of divisor also 1 and without variable. So rough work has started. Take the highest power at the numerator and the highest power at the denominator of the divisor. Now do the cancellation. We have 1x at the denominator and 3x at the numerator. So after cancellation we'll get 3x square. This is the first term of the question. Now multiply 3x square by these two terms one by one. When we multiply it by x, we'll get the same term 3x cube, because plus 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 3x square into x will give 2 plus 1 3, 3x cube, plus minus minus 3x square 1 3x square. So we have to write 3x square below the term having square. So we can place it below minus x square. Now change the sign. This is in positive. Minus minus will change into plus. Plus minus minus both are same, so they will be cancelled. Minus plus minus 3 minus 1 will give 2x square. 3 is the bigger number and its sign is positive, so it will be in plus sign. Note down the other terms. Now again identify the highest number. Now we have highest term 2x square. This below it we'll write the first term. Do the division. 1x is cancelled, so we get 2x. 2x is in positive sign, so we get the second term of the question 2 plus 2x. Now multiply plus 2x with both of them one by one. When we're going to multiply it by x, we'll get this term only, because this has been came out by taking this only. So 2x into x will give 2x square, plus minus minus 2x into 1 will give 2x. We have the x term, so it will be minus 2x. Now change the sign. It is in plus minus, it is in minus plus. Plus minus minus both will be cancelled because both of them are same numbers. Again minus plus minus, both are opposite, it means they have to be subtracted. 3 minus 2 will give 1. No need to write 1, just write x. The largest number is 3, so we have to put the negative sign, plus 1. Again we can divide. Since we are observing the degree of both dividend and divisor are same, so one more time we can divide. minus x, and here is x, so x will be cancelled. What is left? Minus 1, the next term of the question. Minus 1 when multiplied by x will give this term minus x, then minus minus plus 1 into 1 will give 1. Now we are observing both the terms are same, so this will be plus, plus will change into minus, and they both will be cancelled. We get the remainder. One point you have to note down here, the remainder will always be 0. If you are not getting the remainder 0, it means you are doing some mistake in the calculation work. So now take this question and we have to factorize it. We are observing that this is a quadratic polynomial. Now 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Now we have to take it equal to 0 because we have to find the zeros, so we have to take it equal to 0. Using the splitting the middle term, we can calculate the other two zeros. So 3 into 1 will give 3, the all possible factor of 1 into 3, 3 minus 1 will give 2. So splitting the middle term we are using plus, in place of 2, 3 minus 1x minus 1 equal to 0, open the bracket, plus 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 3x plus minus minus, x into 1 will give x, and minus 1 the last term as it is. First two and last two, take the common from first two. We have x and 3, both have the 3, so 3 will be taken. 3 1 is 3, 1x is out, and take 1x inside. X into x will give x square plus 3x, the whole term is out, so 1, 3x 1 is 3x. Here is negative sign, so put the negative. No variable and number is coming out as a common, so we'll take 1 as common. So here we have to put x, 1 into x will give x. Here is negative sign, so change this sign. Plus minus 1 equal to 0. Now both the bracket we are observing, they are same, so it will be x plus 1. We can take them one time. This is x plus 1. Next is 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So one by one we're going to take them equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0, and 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Transpose 1 to the another side, it will be minus 1. Here first take minus 1 to the another side, plus 1, and 3 is in multiplication, so it will move to the division. So it will move to the division. So here we get x equal to 1 upon 3. 1 will change into plus 1, and 3 move to the division. So here we get the other two zeros as minus 1 and 1 by 3. Therefore other two zeros are minus 1 and 1 by 3. So this way we can find the other two zeros. One more example we are taking. Here we have taken the cubic polynomial, and when there is cubic polynomial, only one zero will be given if more than 3 power is given. Maybe cubic polynomial be asked, or it may be a polynomial having 4 as a degree. So we are taking one more example. Let us solve one more example. Example number 2. We have to find all the zeros of the polynomial. Let us denote it by px. X raised to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square plus 10x minus 8. Now here the polynomial is of degree 4. When the degree 4 is given, it means 2 zeros will be given. If it is given that 2 of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Here the degree is 4, so 2 zeros are given, 2 are left that we have to find. So on the basis of these 2 zeros, first of all we have to frame the polynomial by which this is to be divided. So let us do the solution. It is given px is equal to x4 raised to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square. Same process we have to follow of the division. Since root 2 and minus root 2 are its zeros, it means these are the value of x, or x equal to minus root 2. Take root 2 to this side, this will give x plus root 2. Take this minus root 2 to the left hand side, it will change into this will change into minus, and this will change into plus root 2. Now here we are observing the relation a minus b and a plus b. So on the basis of that, we can change it into a square. A means x square minus b square means root 2 whole square. So this will be x square minus root 2. Whenever we multiply any root number 2 times, its square root is removed. So we are getting the polynomial x square minus 2. We have to divide the given polynomial by this polynomial. Now to get the another two zeros, now let us divide. Same process we have to follow. 2x square plus 10x minus 8. First check the order. 4 power 3, 2, 1 and without variable. It is also in order. So first take the first highest power, that is x raised to the power 4. Highest power we have x square. 2x will be cancelled. So first term we get of the question x square. When we multiply one by one with both the term, first term will get as the same, x square into x square, x raised to the power 4. Now plus minus minus 2 into x square will give 2x square. We have to place it below the x square term. So it will be minus 2x square. Change the sign. This is in positive, negative, this is negative, positive. These two will be cancelled because plus minus minus cancel. Here plus plus plus, both will be added. 2 plus 2 will give 4x square. Both are in positive, so here will be positive. Note down the other part. Minus 5x cube plus 10x minus 8. Now identify the next highest. We have minus 5x cube, and below we have to write x square divided. 2 will be cancelled, 2x will be cancelled, 1 is left, so it will be minus 5x. Multiplied by both of them. When we multiply it by this, we'll get the same term, minus 5x cube minus minus plus 2 into 5, 10, 10x. X term we have, so here it will be plus 10x. Change the sign. This is negative, positive, this is in positive, so negative. Plus minus minus, both are same, cancel. Plus minus minus, both are same, so they will be cancelled. Now what is left? Plus 4x square, no need to write its sign, and minus 8. Now the highest is 4x square. So rough work, 4x square divided by x square. When x square is cancelled by x square, we get 4. So it will give 4. It will give 4. It will give 4x square minus plus minus 4 to the 8. Plus it will change to plus, and this will be cancelled. So we get the as 0. Now we have the quadratic polynomial. This quadratic polynomial is to be factorized to get the other zeros. Now again we have to take x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. By taking the splitting the middle term, we have to find the other zeros. So 4 into 1 will give 4. The factor of 4, we can take 1 into 4. 1 plus 4 will give 5. So we can write over here 4 plus 1, 5x plus 4 equal to 0. This will give x square minus 4x minus plus minus x plus 4 equal to 0. We have to take common from it, and from it x will be common. X minus 4 minus 1 will be taken as common. X plus minus, if minus is there, then this sign will be changed. Minus minus plus 4 equal to 0. We have the same term within the brackets, so x minus 4 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this implies that x minus 4 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to x minus 4 equal to 0, and this will give x is equal to 4. 1 0 is 4, and another, this also implied that x minus 1 is equal to 0. Second, we are taking x minus 1 equal to 0, transpose 1 to the another side, so it will be plus. So this way we can find the other zeros. 2 zeros are this and 2 zeros are given, so total we have 4 zeros. So at the last we have to write all the zeros the one which are given and the one which we have just find it out. So this way we can find the other zeros. Thank you.